Hi dears, welcome to my channel. Here we are discussing class 7, lesson 7, transportation in animals and plants, part B. In part A, we were discussing about the heart, blood vessels and the functions of the blood, isn't it? Here in the part B, we are going to discuss the excretion in animals, then excretory organs, main excretory organ. Then we are going to see how transportation is occurring in plants, to say water and mineral transportation, then food transportation, like that. Shall we go to part B? Yes. Here we are going to see how excretion is happening in animals. What is excretion? Excretion is the removal of toxic waste which is produced in the cells. The cellular activities or cellular metabolism will be occurring, and after that waste materials or toxic substances will be released. We are saying it as excretion. So feces we are expelling through the anus, is it an excretion? Certainly not. It is not excretion, it is egestion. What is this egestion? Egestion is the removal of undigested food from the body. It is coming through the digestive tract, and from through the anus it is expelled out. It is egestion, and here the metabolic waste is eliminated. It is called what, ma? Excretion. Now the things are clear, I think. So tell me, what are the excretory substances or products? We can say carbon dioxide. It's an excretory product, isn't it? Carbon dioxide, how it is coming? Through the cellular metabolism, carbon dioxide is liberated, and this carbon dioxide will be transported by the blood to the heart, and through what? Through veins, isn't it? It is transported to the heart, then through pulmonary artery it is moving through to the lungs, and through the lungs it will be diffused, and as a gas it is expelled out, isn't it? It is an excretory waste. Now, is there any other excretory waste? Yes, through urine we are liberating some excretory substances. For example, urea. The human main excretory product is urea. It is expelled out of the body through urine, via urine. Actually, we know we have to drink much water. We are drinking much water. Water is a main product which helps for various activities, isn't it? For the digestion and for the cellular metabolism, all this water is needed. But after that, some excess water will be there. This excess water will be moving to kidney, and in the water these substances, toxic substances as well as urea, will be mixed, and this water will be expelled out through urethra, is called what, ma? This is our urine. This is done by which organ, ma? By kidney. Okay, these are the two main excretory substances. Moreover, water is expelled by some other way. What is that? Sweating. Through sweating, so glands are present throughout the body, and when you are standing in the sunny day in front of the sun, you will be having full sweat, right? The sweat contains water, and along with that some salts also will be there. The sweat will be having salty taste. It doesn't mean that I have just tasted the sweat, it doesn't mean it so, but actually the sweat will be having salty, means along with the water some salts will be also eliminated out. Through tears it will be salty. The things which are coming out along with water will be having salty taste. Okay, ma? Now you are having a clear knowledge about what, ma? About the excretory. What are the things which are excreted? Okay, excretory organs, we can say lungs is an excretory organ, then kidney is an excretory organ, and skin is an excretory organ. Yes, is all these. Now about the kidney, you should know what is kidney. Kidney is two bean-shaped organ present, isn't it? And through what is the function of the kidney? Main function of the kidney, how the kidney is working. As we know, our blood is acting as a delivery boy as well as a garbage boy. I told you in the last class itself. Our poor blood taking the carbon dioxide and giving to that part, you know. And the poor blood is taking what, ma? Our toxic toxic waste which is liberated by the cells, and also this urea, or to say ammonia or urea. It will be converted, this ammonia will be converted to urea by the liver, and this waste will be taken along with the blood and it is moving to kidney. So what will the kidney do? What are the things present in kidney? It is having filter. Not only one filter, millions of filters are present in the kidney. We are saying it as nephron. All the things you will learn in the higher classes. It's called nephron. What will it do? It will filter off the blood and takes away which is useful and which is useless things. The useful things will be given back to blood because it is needed for the blood for the purposes. And the useless things, the things which are not useful, to say toxic waste, this urea, the kidney will take it off and it will mix with the water. Okay, it will make it soluble in water, and there are two tubes like structures called ureter. Ureter which connects the kidney to a muscular tube like structure called urinary bladder. Bladder is the one, or urinary bladder is the one which store the urine for a longer time. When the bladder is almost full, we will be having a feeling to go to urine. By the time we will expel the urine through urethra. These are the main parts present in this excretory organ. Okay, is it clear for you? Now about the kidney, everything is clear. Let me ask you one thing. If the kidney is failed, have you heard about kidney failure? This kidney failure is happening. Will be happen for some people. Okay. For by the time how this blood or how the waste will be removed from the blood. If the waste is not removed from the blood, what will be happen? The blood will be full of waste, and the blood it will not be able to survive for us, isn't it? So it has to be removed. By that time, have you heard dialysis? It's when we are going to a hospital, this dialysis will be provided. By the time the blood will be taken out of the body and the blood will be purified like what our kidney is doing, and purified filtered blood will be made back to our body. This dialysis will be done. Okay. So from this we are able to understand the importance of kidney. No? If the kidney is not there, it will be very difficult for us to survive even. So we should know, we should give importance to all the parts. If there are many children, even though they will be urging for urine, they will keep it in control, isn't it? During our major periods like PT and all, you will urge this, you no need to go. While serious classes are going on, even the urine temptation is not there, you will go for washroom, isn't it? You are feeling how ma'am knows, right? Yes, I too know about it because I came from this stage, right? That's why. Okay. About the kidney and all, we understood. For a human, 1 to 1.8 liter of urine will be liberated out per day. Okay. Main excretory substance of the human is what, ma? Urea. Now, about the fishes or aquatic organisms, what are the main excretory substance? It's not urea, Kanna. It is ammonia. Ammonia they are expelling out, and it will be dissolved in water quickly. Okay. And for the birds, some lizards, have you seen lizards? There is black, have you seen the excretory substance? The white dot will be there, no? White, this substance, or for birds also, white color, the excreta will be. It will be what? It will be uric acid. This is uric acid is the excretory waste. Just it's for you to know much more about it. Okay, uric acid for birds, lizards, and all. And for aquatic organism, it will be ammonia, and for the human, it is urea. Is it clear, Kanna? Okay. To say almost the things are full, but let me say about sweating. What is sweating? Sweating all the time. You will be feeling in the hot days. Sweat will be produced. Sweat, I told you, along with water, excess water is expelled. Along with that, what, ma? Along with that, some salts are expelled. Sweating is good for you or bad for you? It's good for you because it helps to cool down the body. When sweating sweating is coming out, sweat is coming out when the wind is blowing, your body may feel very cool, right? It helps for cooling down the body. Okay. We were discussing about the excretory product, isn't it? The main excretory product is what? Urine. Urine contains 95% of water and 2.5% of toxic substances and 2.5% of urea. This is the percentage composition of urine in normal case. Okay, if we are drinking sufficient water. Okay, that's why your elders are saying to drink 5 to 6 liters of water per day. It helps for the smooth functioning of the entire part of the body. Okay. Now we are moving to see how the transportation is occurring in plants. In plants, is there any blood? No. There is no blood for transporting the things. But there also function has to be occurred, isn't it? The plant has to grow, the plant has to reproduce, all the things has to be occurred in plants. How is it happening? How the transportation is happening, we are going to discuss. Okay, ma'am. We have seen the plant is having root, firm root. Firm root helps for anchoring the plant in the soil. Not only that, it helps for absorbing water and minerals. Who is helping for the root? Root will be divided into small root hairs. Have you seen? Root hairs are there. It will be so fine. Why the root hairs are so fine and long? It helps to increase the surface area of absorption. Thus, much more water and much more minerals can be absorbed, which are present in the soil. Okay, it will help for the absorption because the soil has to be loose. Normally case, the soil has to be in the loose stage. By the time the air will be sufficient so that the roots can breathe. Not only that, it can absorb the water and minerals much more quickly so that it can give to the entire plant. Okay, now you understood roots are absorbing water and minerals. Then who is taking it? How it is going up? Through the stem it is going to leaves, isn't it? Is the stem pulling? There is something in stem. Yes, there is something in stem. We are saying it as vascular bundle. Consists of xylem and phloem tissues. Two types of tissues, xylem tissue as well as phloem tissue. Xylem tissue is the one which helps for conducting water and minerals from the root to the leaf or to entire part of the plant, mainly to the leaf. Okay. Phloem tissues are the one which carry the prepared food and the nutrients from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Did you get, ma'am? Xylem from the root to the leaf and phloem from the leaves to the entire part of the plant. Now tell me, xylem is bidirectional or unidirectional? What is the meaning of bidirectional? Going up and down. Unidirectional means going one directional. Xylem is one directional or two directional, Kanna? It is one directional because it is having only one function. From the root it has to be circular. From the root has to be circular. So it is unidirectional. What about the phloem? It is bidirectional because from the leaves it has to give to root also. It has to give to the tip of the flower also. It has to go to all directions. So it is bidirectional. Okay, by seeing the picture of the xylem, you can understand that xylems are much more thicker compared to phloem. Walls are thicker for what, ma? For the xylem. It is not having cross walls. There is no cross walls for the xylem, but phloem is having it is much more thinner tissues and it is having cross walls. Each cell will be having an end. In that manner, the phloem will be. Not only that, the xylem gives mechanical strength to the plant. What is the xylem giving? It is giving mechanical strength. But the phloem is not giving such strength. Then to say xylem tissues are having maximum dead cells. Phloem tissues are having maximum living cells. These are the main difference between the xylem and phloem. Did you get it, ma? How it is transporting? We are together xylem and phloem. Together we are saying it as vascular bundle. Okay, is it clear for you? Okay. Now I told you already that there is a pull. There is a pull from the root to the tip of the leaf. Xylem is transporting, but there should be a pull, right? When you are drinking juice, there will be straw, there will be glass containing juice, and there will be straw also. But what you're doing? Just keeping the mouth through the straw, the juice will come up? No. We should pull it, right? There should be a pull. In the case of plant also there should be a pull. Who is pulling? Any idea? Yes. Through transpiration. There is a connection. We will say, what is the function of the root? I will say. The root will suck all the water and minerals which are present in the soil. So excess water will be there. Like us. There we have told, no, excess water will be there. Through urine it is passed and through sweating it will be passed. In the case of plants there is no urine. But sweating is there. What is that sweating? Yes, through the stomatal opening, the excess water will be moving out. Excess water will be expelled through the stomatal opening. Isn't it, ma'am? So what happens? At the top, water is lost or water is not there. At the bottom, water is much more. So there will be a pull for the leaves from the root. Then only it will be traveled. Okay. So the transpiration also plays an important role in this transportation of food and as well as water and minerals. Okay. And moreover, we can say transpiration helps to cool down the plant. Like our sweating helps to cool down ourselves, right? Like that, the transpiration also helps to cool down the plant. Even though it is in hot summer, it helps to cool down the plant. Okay, is the thing clear for you? Yes, now can I go for the question time? Dears, are you ready for answering? This is the question time. First question. Hemoglobin is present in dash cells. Hemoglobin is present in dash cells. Okay. Second question is a question which I am asking you frequently. Main excretory product of human being is dash. Main excretory product of human being is dash. Third one, arteries and veins are joined by a network called dash. The place where arteries and veins are joining, I have told you. Like this in the part A, I have just explained. The place where arteries and veins join. It is a type of blood vessel. I think it's clear for you. Okay. Thank you for watching.